Good morning, everyone. Today's lesson number is 19, constitute of food. What we have see in this chapter, we will see now. What we are going to learn. Carbohydrates, starch, sugar, fiber, fats, proteins, vitamin, mineral, a balanced diet, nourishment, and malnutrition. In this chapter, we are going to see these points. We are going to cover all these points, okay? Which are the carbohydrates? How does a food gives us carbohydrate, starch? In carbohydrate, we are going to see starch, sugars, and fiber. Each in every food there is sugar. Okay, sugar is present in a food. Then we are going to see about the fats and proteins. From where we get of fats. चर्बी कहाँ से मिलती है अपने को ज्यादा जाड़े लोग रहते हैं ना उनको चर्बी रहती है ना दैट इज कॉल्ड फैट्स एंड प्रोटीन्स vitamins minerals a balanced diet nourishment and a malnutrition okay what is meant by diet children can anybody tell me what is meant by diet what is meant by diet can anybody tell me what is meant by diet come on tell me what is meant by diet that means maintain our body. Diet means what we eat right proportion in a right proportion. Diet means जो हम लोग खाना खाते हैं that should be in a right proportion. It should be in equal proportion. ज्यादा खाना में समझो हम लोगों ने सिर्फ भाजी भाजी खाई और दाल और चावल और चपाती नहीं खाई. It's not a proper diet. Okay, children, it's not a proper diet. Diet is a different constituent we have in our food in the right proportion. A balanced diet must contain carbohydrates, fats, each and everything what should be present in our thali. Thali में सब कुछ होना चाहिए. What is that? Protein, vitamin, minerals, carbohydrates, fats in the correct proportion. सब होना चाहिए थोड़ा थोड़ा होना चाहिए in हमारा daily routine में. Okay. For what purpose do we need to eat food? क्यों खाते हैं हम लोग food? For what purpose we are eating the food, children? Come on, let me know for what purpose to live, okay? And Manasri, सिर्फ जीने के लिए खाते food हम लोग. What to be a strong, very good child, healthy, okay, good. We need food to live and grow and to get energy to do our work. काम करने के लिए हमको खाना जरूरी है. हम लोग चक्कर आके नीचे गिर सकते हैं. We will get up there, okay? Can you tell me, children, what are the different tastes that food stuff have? Different types of tests are there for the food. Which are the tests? Can you tell me? Come on, let me know. Which are the tests of different types of tests are there for sour? Okay, good. Next, sweet, good. Sugar, spicy, very good. Salt, yeah, salt is there. Then one more taste is there, beta. Food may be sweet, salty, oily, fibrous, and sour and a bitter. Bitter means क्या होता है? कड़वा भी होता है food. Okay, good. How do we express their taste? Taste कैसे समझ में आती है कि ये sweet है, ये कड़वा है, ये है, वो है, sour है, तीखा है? Tongue, with the help of the tongue. Okay, we express this taste with the help of our taste buds situated in our mouth. That is a tongue. With the help of our tongue. Okay, good children. Now we will see. This is a pyramid. We have learned that foodstuffs have constituted that are useful to us in different ways. Fats, proteins, vitamin and minerals, carbohydrates, these are the different ways of a foodstuff. Okay. Can you see, children? Meat gives us what? Milk gives us vitamin and calcium and all that. Food gives us protein and all that. Vegetables are there. Grains also are there. Other things are also there, like paneer. Then what's that? A burger is there. Pizza is there. And then what? Cold drinks are given over there. Okay, these are the different types of food stuff. Now we will see about the starch. About the starch. Starch turned into blackish blue when it comes in contact with iodine. Starch turn into blackish blue when it comes into contact with the iodine. Starch is present in potato, sweet potato or potato में starch present रहता है. Can you see it's a sticky substance? Starch means a sticky substance. उसको बाहर रखो, पोटैटो को रखो, बाहर रखो, तुम लोग कैसे हो जाता है? काला पड़ जाता है. कैसे पड़ जाता है? वो काला पड़ जाता है. These are the starchy food. So we can infer that there is a starch in the potato. Sago and sweet potato also contain starch. Cereals like jowar, bajra, wheat, rice contain a lot of starch. Contain a lot of starch. We obtain flour from this grain. Flour means what? Wheat. These grains form our staple diet. We get energy from starchy food. Our body uses energy for different kinds of work. Everyone wants to work, and everyone needs to do a work. आराम करने से कुछ होने वाला नहीं है. So we need energy. So we need also starch also for our body. This energy also keeps the body suitable warm. गरम लगता है अपनी body को. Okay. Next. Why do we feel hungry in winter than do we in summer? Can anybody tell me this in a small sentence? Why do we feel hungry in winter? ठंडी में हम लोग क्यों इतना खाना खाते हैं? And why in less in summer season? कम खाना summer season में क्यों खाते हैं? Can anybody tell me? Yes, children. In winter season, children, we are eating too much of food. Why? Because we are consume less water in your body, in our body in winter season. It keeps our body warm. Yeah, because it keeps our body warm. Okay. But in the summer season, we drink lots of water. Everyone knows that. पानी पीने से पेट फूक जाता है. So we are eating and we are not even feeling बोलते ना भूख भूख नहीं लगती है. पानी पीने से अपना पेट भर जाए. So we are eating less in the summer season. But in winter season, we are drinking less water. So we are eating food more. Okay, so we are taking our food, we are getting hungry in the winter season. It is very hot in summer, hence we tend to take it a little easy. We therefore feel hungry in winter than in summer season. Now we see about the sugar, where the sugar is present in the food. Food stuff that taste sweet contain different kinds of sugars. For example, we can obtain jaggery, jaggery means gur, and table sugar from sugar cane because it contains a sugar called sucrose. Ripe fruit like mango, banana, chiku has also. Honey and milk also contain various kinds of sugar. They too gives us energy. Sugar is present in each and every food. ऐसे नहीं हम लोग को शक्कर खानी है डब्बे में जाके लेके नहीं. Sugar is present in each and every food stuff. Like rice is also having sugar. Okay. Everything is having a sugar present in their food stuff that we are getting eating that और हम लोग को क्या sugar हो जाती है. Okay. Now we will see fiber. Fiber कहाँ से मिलता है? Okay, we get a fiber from a leafy vegetable. We get a fiber from the leafy vegetable. When grains like jowar, wheat is ground into the flour. जवार wheat को हम लोग आटे में ये बना देते हैं. The particles in the flour are not all alike. जब हम लोग उसको पीसते हैं तो उसके अंदर जो particles present है वो same नहीं रहते. It's not alike. When the flour is shifted, we find the larger particles left behind on the seeds. These particles are fine piece of the skin or brain of the grain. तो ये रहता है ना हम लोग जब उसको sieve में क्या करते हैं छाननी से ये करते हैं छाननी. एवरीवन नोज छाननी. उसको आटे को हम लोग ये करते हैं ना निकालते हैं. फिर उसके ऊपर क्या रहता है भूसा भूसा रहता है. स्किन remains what a screen brain of the grain. क्या रहता है स्किन रहती है ब्राउन ब्राउन कलर का वो उसके ऊपर रह जाता है. बोलता है भूसा बोलते हो पतला. ओके कॉल्ड भूसा लाइक दैट. इट रिमेन्स देयर. ब्रांड इज अ फाइब्रस सब्सटेंस. बट मम्मी पापा क्या मम्मी क्या करती है उसको छाननी में से ये करके आटा गूंथती है, नहीं, उसके इसके साथ ही गूंदना है, तभी उसमें फाइबर मिलता है। अगर वो ही हम लोग फेंक देंगे तो क्या फायदा। इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ डाइजेशन फाइबर हैज अ स्पेशल फंक्शन। Fibrous systems help substance helps the food to move in the elementary elementary canal at the right speed. The undigested food is of no use to the body. Fiber helps to form stool from the undigested food. Fiber is also called Rogers. Fiber is also called a Roger. Okay. Fruits and vegetables, especially their skin, we should not remove the skin of the fruit. Like that only we should eat. But some of the people are removing the skin of apple also, or chiku also. बनाना की तो निकालना ही है, वैसे तो खा नहीं सकते कच्चा बनाना को हम लोग सीखे से। जिसका निकालना है उसका खा निकाल दो, और जिसका नहीं निकालना है उसमें प्रोटीन्स रहता है। सो eat it like that only, like apple and chiku and all that. Whole grains and pulses are all source of fiber in food. In our food does not contain enough fiber. If our food does not contain enough fiber, it can lead to constipations. Up to now, okay, up to now we have, shall I see what's going on? Should I remove you from the lecture? Up to now we have learned about 3 types of substance present in our body, okay, in our food: starch, sugar, and fiber. Starch, sugar, and fiber is present in the food. These substances are together called carbohydrate. Now, how does the carbohydrates present over there? Starch, sugar, and fiber सबको मिला के क्या बनता है? Carbohydrates. क्या बनता है? Carbohydrate. The most important use of carbohydrate is to provide the body with the energy. Is to provide body with the energy. Carbohydrate क्या काम करता है? Is to provide a body with the energy. Then we will see about the fat. Where is the fats present? Can you see the tummy of your father or mother जब बड़ी हो गई, it means वो ना मोटे मोटे लग रहे हैं. It's not a, it's a skin, fatty skin. Only वो fat की वजह से उनके पेट भी फूल गया है, like that. Oil is a fatty substance. Too much of eating oily food gets a fat in your body, like cheesy food, then oily food, then buttery food. Butter जो ज़्यादा खाते हैं उनको ज़्यादा क्या होता है? फैटी सब्सटेंस प्रेजेंट हो जाते हैं इन द बॉडी. Paper becomes translated when a fatty substance is applied to it. Paper becomes translated is a sign of presence of fat in the foodstuff kept on it. Fats in our food also provide energy to our body. They give twice as much as energy as carbohydrates, but we include a smaller quantity of the constituent in our diet. Cream, butter, ghee, oil are example of fat. If you are eating this type of food, then you will be a motu golu modlu. Like that means a fat substance present can occur in your body. Means आ जाते तुम लोग fat हो जाते हो. Then an example of fat: nuts, meat, egg, yolk also contain a fat. The fat we eat gets stored in our body. The fat we eat gets stored in our body. If food is not available for some time, the body can get energy from the stored fat. अगर हम लोग को थोड़े टाइम के लिए फूड नहीं मिला तो हम लोग जो फैट्स है ना वहां से हम लोग फूड ये कर सकते हैं. एनर्जी कहाँ से मिलती है? हम लोग जो प्रेजेंट है फैट इन आवर बॉडी, we can get energy from that. Okay, the stored fats, there is a layer of fat under our skin. स्किन के अंदर क्या लेयर रहती है? एक फैटी लेयर रहती है. It gives shape to the body and like a blanket. It is like a blanket. Also prevent loss of heat from this body. These are the fatty substances. Now we see about the protein. From where does we get a protein? Just as the stones and bricks are the building block needed for a wall. जैसे brick और अ बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक्स नीडेड फॉर टू बिल्डिंग द बिल्डिंग के लिए लगता है, वैसे ही प्रोटीन हमारे बॉडी के लिए लगता है. Protein are the building blocks of our body. Okay, the body undergoes wear and tear continuously. कभी लगता है, कभी नहीं लगता है. Then who protects us? These all these things with the help of the protein we can wear and tear अपना ठीक कर सकते हैं. Sometimes it get injured. Okay, but the healing and repair of our body goes on all the time without our being aware of it. Protein are necessary for that purpose only. Protein are required in plenty during the growing year of a person's life. जब बच्चा बड़ा होता रहता है तो उसको प्रोटीन की बहुत जरूरत है. Milk is a nice for children. Milk, meat, fish. Okay, this is a nice protein for our children to grown up, to growing बढ़ने के लिए हमको ये खाना जरूरी है. Okay. Now, all the different dals, pulses, groundnut, milk and milk product like yogurt, soya, and paneer, egg, meat, and fish are rich source of protein. What we should eat every time in our food? Pulses, each type of dal, every type of dal खाना जरूरी है. दाल चावल खाओ, okay? Pulses खाओ, groundnut eat, milk and milk product जो milk product से बना रहते हैं, पनीर, दही, फिर ताक and all that वो खाओ. Egg खा जाओ. Then egg, meat is also important for protein. Then comes a fish. Okay, then comes a fish and all that are rich source of protein. To get the required protein, our daily diet should include a dals, pulses, as well as milk and milk product. Okay, our body requires carbohydrates, fats, and proteins in large proportion. These food constitutes are called micronutrients. What we are called is micronutrients. In micronutrients, what we have seen carbohydrates, fats, and protein. What we have seen carbohydrates, fats, and protein. Okay. Then comes a last point is vitamin and mineral. What is that? Vitamin and mineral. We will see about the vitamin and mineral. The different vitamins are named using the letter of the alphabet. Vitamin को कैसे नाम दिया गया है? Using an alphabet. Using the letter of the alphabet. Okay, we are using the letter for the alphabet. For example, vitamin A, B, C, D, E, and K are given the most important vitamins. Although we need vitamin in very small quantities, lack or deficiency of any vitamin, अगर हमारे बॉडी में विटामिन की कमतरता होगी, we are going to be a night blindness. Then हम night blindness रात अंधेरा बोलता है उसको. We call this रात अंधेरा. Lack of deficiency. बोलते ना कोरोना वायरस के इम्यूनिटी पावर बढ़ाओ, ये काढ़ा पियो, वो काढ़ा पियो, विटामिन ये करो, विटामिन गोली लो, and all that is we need a vitamin to our body also. The lack or deficiency of any vitamin result in serious disorder. For example, vitamin deficiency of vitamin A over a long period result in night blindness. If we are not having a vitamin A in our body, then should be result क्या होता है उसका? Night blindness. A deficiency of vitamin D result in weak and brittle bones. Vitamin gives us the ability to resist diseases. Iron, calcium, sodium, potassium are examples of minerals that are essential for the body. They are needed in very small quantity because they have an important part to play in all the necessary function of our body. This is what we call a vitamin and mineral. Vitamin and mineral. Iron is necessary for carrying oxygen to different parts of the body. Iron कहाँ से मिलता है? Like iron is present in food stuff only. Food में ही iron present रहता है. Like what is that called? Brinjal and all that. Okay. Then brinjal is also having iron. Then what is that called? Bitter ground is also having iron and all that. Okay. If there is deficiency of iron in the blood, the body does not get enough supply of the oxygen, and one feels constantly weak and tired. This condition is called anemia. Mineral calcium makes our body strong. Now we'll see about the balanced diet. About the balanced diet. Being fit and fine means that we have enough strength and energy to study. जो fit है, okay, they should study it nicely. Strength and energy for to study. Play and carry out all our tasks quite easily. We can play and carry out each and everything if you are having a good balanced diet in your proper lifestyle. You can do your work properly. You will not feel tired and at all. Our body is growing well and we do not fall ill every now and then. If you're having a food nicely in your whole day life, okay, you will not feel what? You will not fall ill and now and then. कभी भी तुम लोग बीमार नहीं गिरोगे. All wish to be a good health. Everyone want your good health, yes or no? For good health, our body should get all the different constituents of food, namely carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals in the right quantities. A diet which provides all these constituents in the right quantities is called a balanced diet. It's called a balanced diet. We need everything in our food. Okay, what is that? Carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamin, and mineral. Okay, in the right quantity. Next is, can you see this food? What does the food gives us? Food gives you energy. Body building, okay, food necessary for bodily process and resistance to diseases. Carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Nourishment and malnutrition. Now, what is children malnutrition person? Can anybody know what is malnutrition? Can you tell me about the malnutrition? Don't know, anybody don't know what is malnutrition? The child who does not get a food, enough food to eat, they are not getting the enough balanced diet, they're not getting a proper diet. उनका सिर्फ ये दिखता है rib cage, we can see the rib cage means what? Rib cage means what? हड्डी हड्डी दिखती है, उनकी सिर्फ हड्डी दिखती है. Okay, they are not getting food at all. Eat, not even a water. Okay, you can Google it and search it on the Google. For our body to be well nourished, okay, we must get all the different food constitute in the right quantities. If a person diet lacks some constituent over a long period of time, that person does not get proper nourishment. Malnutrition has serious consequence for the person's health. For the person's health. For example, if a person does not get enough carbohydrates, if a person, वो आदमी को अगर enough quantity में carbohydrate नहीं मिल रहा है and protein also नहीं मिल रहा है, their growth is stunted. Their growth रुक जाती, वहां पर ही वो ऐसे भुटका रह जाता है. Okay, it becomes a short. Why? Because he is not getting a proper carbohydrates and proteins. They feel constantly tired. They feel constantly tired. They cannot cope with their studies or games or other tasks. They cannot do their work also with their own or their games and all that, playings and all that. वो खुद नहीं कर सकते because they are not having a energy only to do anything this. Okay, or other tasks. Deficiency of vitamin or mineral causes some specific disorder. Causes some specific disorder. I hope you will recall first what we have studied today. The body, we will see what we have studied today. Okay, it is unique. The body gets energy from carbohydrates. The body gets energy from carbohydrates. Proteins are necessary for the growth of body as well as for the repair and wear and tear of the body. Protein, okay. So body gets energy from fats too. जो फैटी सब्सटेंस हम लोग खाते हैं उसमें से भी हम लोग को एनर्जी मिलती है. Okay. Although our body needs vitamin and mineral in a small quantity, a deficiency of any of them can lead to a disease or disorder. Fruits, vegetables, and their skins, cereals, and pulses are all source of fiber. So don't throw the skin of the fruit like apple and chiku only. I'm saying, children. Okay. For from each of the food item, that we eat, we get more than one food constituent. If the diet does not include all of the food constituent in the right proportion, it leads to malnutrition. Malnutrition has a serious consequence for a person's health. This was our chapter completed over here. I hope everyone understood.